O Mother Earth,
Земля,
O Mother Earth,
сила небесная,
the heaven sky power, the power.
Мы все дети этой земли. И
We are
каждый из
all
нас
the people of
несет
this earth,
силу
the children
рода
of
своего.
her. And every one of
Откуда мы
us
пришли?
bears the power of lineage.
Предки и род
Where
дает нам
from
силу.
did we come?
Куда мы идем?
Ancestors, and the lineage
Внуки
gives
и
us
правнуки
power.
ждут нашей
Where
помощи.
do we go? Grandchildren
Ваш род
and
хочет
great-grandchildren
помочь вам.
are waiting for our
Ваши
help.
пращуры
Your
хотят
lineage wants
передать
to
вам
help
силу
you.
талантов и
Your
возможностей,
ancestors want to
которые
transfer
они
you
накопили
the power
в
of your
жизни своей.
talents and the
А те,
abilities
кто еще не
and
рожден,
opportunities they
ждут
have kept
ваших
for you
усилий.
in their life. And those
Соедините
who are not
силу
born
рода
yet,
своего.
they are
Из
waiting for
прошлого,
your
да
efforts.
пойдет оно в будущее.
Connect the powers of your
сохраним
lineage and
Эту землю
ancestors.
прекрасную,
The
на
power
которой
of
каждый из
past,
нас
let it come to the future.
росток Бога
Let us
единого.
save this wonderful land,
Я
in
передаю
which
вам
every one of us
родные
is
души,
the creation of the united God.
знать
I
и
am
чтить
transferring
силу
you,
рода вашего,
my dear souls,
дабы предки
the blessing
защищали,
to know
а потом
and respect
с
the
небес
power of your
благословляли.
lineage, so that the
Откройте
ancestors
сердца,
can protect
сложите ладони на
and the
уровне
next
груди
generations
вашей, и
can
вслед за
bless
мной
from the heavens.
произнесите:
Open your hearts,
Матушка
cross
Земля,
your palms
силою
at the
полна,
level of your chest, and repeat
род
after
мой
me,
великий,
Mother Earth,
дай
you're full of
благословение.
power. My
Род
lineage is great.
всемогущий,
Give the
дай
blessing.
благословение души моей,
Mighty lineage,
рожденье,
give the blessing to my
дай
soul.
благословение
Give birth
души моей,
and bless my soul.
возрождение.
Now feel that behind your
Почувствуйте
back
сейчас,
are standing those
за вашей
who, with the
спиной,
efforts
стоят
in their
те,
life,
кто усилиями
kept
жизни,
and preserved
сохранял
love and happiness,
любовь,
health
счастье,
and success.
здоровье и успех.
Inhale the power of
Вдохните
lineage
силу рода
and transfer
и
it
возложите ее
at the level
вместе с ладонью
of your
в
navel.
область пуповины вашей.
Let your lineage to unite with you. And now, with one more inhale, inhale the power of lineage.
Вдохните силу рода.
Let it be with you. And now, open your palms. Open your palms to the sky and heaven,
Создавшему небо и землю,
who created
дающему
sky and
каждому из нас
earth, who is given to every one of us the blessing for
рода богатого,
strong,
детей
harmonious
здоровых,
families, for the abundant lineage, for healthy
чтобы род
children
ваш
and happy
процветал в
children.
поколениях,
Ask
чтобы
that
дети
your
ваши
lineage
были
is
счастливы,
flourishing
здоровы и успешны,
through generation to generation,
богаты.
so that your children are healthy and successful and
Попросим
happy,
вместе.
so that you are also happy
Сварок,
and prosperous and successful in every day
сварок,
of your life.
сварожич,
Let's ask
светлый
together.
Божий,
Svarak Svarozhich, bright
наполни,
God,
освети
fulfill
жизнь мою
and lead up
потомков
my life
моих.
and my followers as well.
Наполни,
Fulfill
освети
and lead
благословением
up with
Твоим
blessing
жизнь
my
мою
life
и
and the
потомков.
life of my followers.
Наполни
Fulfill and light up with your blessing my life and life of my followers. Now put your hands at the level of the chest of the heart and feel the blessing that is going to you from the heavens, and the responsibility who lived before you, and responsibility for those who will live after you, the followers. Let your lineage be abundant, healthy, and happy. The blessing of the circle of the great enlightened masters, the blessing of Mother Earth, the blessing of Father God, let be with us forever. My great lineage, I am your part which lives now. Let me live this life with meaning and be grateful for everything, for life, for Mother Nature, for my lineage, and for the Creator from above, and be respectful to Him.